Okay, it's Andrew here, and we're at the Melbourne Home Show, and we're on the Trex display. I'm with Rod and Sue from Trex, and they're going to share a little bit about their fantastic range here today. Rod.
Thanks for coming along. This is Trex. It's made in America. It's got 95% plastic, hardwood fibre material with an outer shell. That's the thing that makes this product stand out from the crowd. This shell here doesn't scratch. It's got a 25-year fade and stain warranty. Really, really exciting product. Been in the market now for a while, but we've got advertising coming up on TV. You're going to see a lot more of it. Awesome product.
Beautiful. And Sue, the tradies love using it. The installers, it's easy to use for them, and there's not a nail to be seen.
Yep, absolutely. And not only the tradies, the home DIYers as well. So your weekend warriors, anyone that wants to do a decking project, the builders, the tradies, everybody loves it. It's perfect to use, easy to install, cuts down your labour time. You don't see nails, hidden fixings.
No nails, no splinters. A dream.
The thing doesn't absorb moisture, so perfect around wet areas. Dogs won't scratch it. Decking furniture. You can have red wine spills, won't stain.
Beautiful.
So you can live it up.
Have that party on the deck around the pool. Great. Now, the colour range you guys have on display here is fantastic, and you can see it 7 days a week down in Home Innovations in Frankston as well. Thanks for your time, and try out Trex.
Thank you.
Thanks, Aaron.